In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and attach files in Trello for 2025. If you're managing your projects and tasks on Trello, knowing how to attach files to your cards can be incredibly beneficial. Whether it's documents, images, or any other file types, attaching them directly to your Trello cards helps keep everything organized in one convenient place. So let's dive in and walk through the steps. First up, we need to navigate over to Trello, which is super easy. Open your preferred web browser and head on over to trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button. Click on that and you're on your way to accessing all of your Trello boards. When it comes to logging in, you have a couple of options. You can either use your email and password combination, or if you're like many folks who prefer it, you can use your Google account, which not only saves time but also adds a layer of convenience to your login process. You've got access now, great. Go ahead and navigate to the board section. This is essentially the hub where all your boards are located. Within this section, you'll find everything categorized under your workspaces. Have a peek here if you're managing or collaborating on multiple projects, as this is where you'll find them all. Once you're in your boards, simply click on the one where you want to upload and attach your file. After selecting the board, you'll want to find the specific card that the file is relevant to. Simply click on that card to open it up. Now within this card you should see a range of options, and what you're looking for is the attachment option. Go ahead and click that. Now you've got a couple of methods to upload your file. The first is classic, straightforward and effective. Click on the choose a file button. This will open up a file dialog where you can navigate to the file you wish to attach. Once you find it, select it and follow the prompts to upload. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers a quick and intuitive method, Trello has you covered. You can simply drag and drop the file directly onto the card. This feature is particularly handy when you have multiple files open, or when you're in the middle of polishing a document and want to attach the newest version seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that all the necessary files are readily available within your Trello boards, making collaboration and project management smoother for everyone involved. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. I hope this helps you streamline your workflow and keeps your projects running efficiently. See you next time.